Royal Play Equipment introduces Deluxe two-seater seesaw, the ultimate outdoor playing equipment for kids. This fantastic seesaw features two comfortable seats in vibrant blue, connected by a sturdy yellow pipe for durability and safety. With convenient handles near the seats, children can grip securely as they enjoy the ride. Plus, sturdy leg supports ensure stability, allowing kids to play safely and confidently. Beneath, premium quality pipes provide perfect balance, guaranteeing a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. Crafted with top-notch materials, our seesaw is built to last, promising endless hours of fun and laughter in the sunshine. Join us as we explore the excitement of outdoor play with our Deluxe two-seater seesaw.